Where innovations meets partners, where education transforms not just minds but entire communities. This is the vision that drives Cebu Technological University to modern campus. More than just an institution, CTU is a catalyst for change, fostering excellence in research, technology, and sustainable development. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the very heart of CTU's mission, its goals.
CTU will be globally recognized for its value.
Typically, it will.
Obtaining a Philippine university system status with TESOL Level 5 recognition or equivalent.
Be ranked among top 10 universities in the Philippines.
Be included in the list of internationally recognized ranking of universities, including Quackerel examens,
Science Higher Education, Shanghai University Ranking, World University Impact Rankings. Develop innovative academic initiatives, including medical and allied fields, engineering and technology, and transnational higher education programs for enhanced career pathways, qualifications, recognitions, accreditations, specialization, and progression programs, and global mobility.
achieve world-class,
Performance and excellence in total quality management and lead innovations in the fourth industrial revolution.
CTU